All right, everybody. This is the very first durability test, and there's going to be plenty more to come, but this is a Cuisinart coffee maker. It has one like K-cup section and one that makes a pot of coffee right there. This thing is a complete piece of garbage, and it has really not done a good job for the past like 5 months. So we got another coffee maker, and this one I was gonna throw out, but I decided to do a durability test on it. As you can see, this was already hit with a hammer because it wouldn't close to begin with, but that's just cosmetic. It still opens and closes perfectly fine. See, that's where the K cup goes, so it even clicks, so we're good. So I'm gonna put that back on, just pretend that that's still in good shape. So here's the tools we'll be using: razor knife, lighter, matte gas. So, and also the coffee pot broke too, and I have a level right here to keep this thing level. So first things first, this is stainless, so I could just do a nail test. Let's see what happens with that. So let's see. Tiny bit of scratching, not really. Now we could test the razor knife. Obviously that leaves a scrape. We could also get this as well. Little brush. And I'm gonna scrape that up a little bit. Scrapes it up, but it's actually pretty durable, not gonna lie. Could test the buttons, test the strength of all the buttons. You know, the screen. Fingernail doesn't scratch that. You know, obviously not too durable. Just hitting the buttons a little bit. Everything still seems to be working pretty good. Now I'm gonna plug it in. All right, there's the time. I'm actually gonna, because the coffee pot's broken, the coffee pot is supposed to push this up, which pushes this up, which allows the coffee to go through. I'm just gonna remove this so the water can just go straight through. So let's dump some water in there. Trying to think of what else I can add. Let's do this. All right, so we'll close it. Okay, and then we'll brew some coffee. Brew. Cafe brew. All right. In the meantime, while that's brewing up, let's see how this stuff reacts to a lighter. All right. Pretty good. All right, it's making some water. So as you can also see, apparently from the slamming of the lid, it came unhinged. So that's not too good, but just gotta slam it back into place. Yep, now it's back. I mean, you know what? Actually, what's happening is, it's just because I have the lid open. It's still brewing. Maybe kind of take this and give it a little whack. Still going strong. Let's pour some water in the K-cup section. That water is disgusting. Actually, it's frozen. It's gross though. Shit. I'm gonna grab. Okay, stop ruining. Get it to stop. Oh shit, this is plastic, so it's melting for there. Let's do the K-cup. This thing has caused me so much mental pain over the past 6 months. This thing never closes. So let's politely remove that and just close for once and for all and make coffee. Let's get that to work. That's about as close as I can get it. So let's fit that in there. All right, cool. Cool. So that's the side view of it right now. Let's do a pod. Let's brew the pod. If it'll work, because it's frozen in there right now. In the meantime, let's test out. Oh, it's working. See that? It's putting out the side now. Let's see how some matte gas will work with this thing. Oh, it just got an error. Did you see that? Stainless is getting hot. Damn. So actually this doesn't work anymore. So let's remove this. And oh man. All right. That concludes the durability test for this. This could be part one, or it could just be the end of the test. It really stinks like plastic in here now. It's not good to be breathing that in, and I just took a shower, so I don't want to smell like burnt plastic. So tune in next time for the next durability test, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Give me some ideas of what else you'd like to see tested out.